Wait.
You're getting mustard farts in my mouth. I'm getting nervous. Come on.
Okay, this time should be fine.
Okay. Alright, welcome back everyone. I am Dax and this is...
Wolfie!
Alright, and welcome to our channel, Clever Stupidity, where we're going to be doing some clever things and plenty of stupid stuff.
Yeah.
So, I hope you enjoy. This time we're going to be doing a video of Will You Press the Button? I'm going to read a question for wonderful Wolfie here.
Yep.
And she will choose whether or not to push the button. Then, she is going to have to guess if a majority of the people pressed the button or did not press the button. We're going best of 5. If she can get 3 of 5 correct, then she is safe. And I will drink a shot of mustard. But if she does not answer at least 3 correctly, she'll be getting a shot of mustard down the throat. So, best of luck to you.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm okay. Ready, I mean.
Okay, good, because we're starting. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and see if number 1 here. You will be able to travel the world and be everything you want to be. Have everything you've ever wanted. But you have to leave behind your family, friends, and significant other. I'll be gone, your mom, dad, you'll leave them behind, never speak to them again. But you'll be able to go anywhere and do anything you want, just without your family or loved ones.
No.
No, you will not.
Yeah.
Okay, now, very important. Everyone else who has taken this, do you think more of them pressed the button or did not press the button?
Press the button means you will go to travel.
Yes, press the button means you travel the world and be everything and all that. So,
no.
You think majority of the people did not?
No.
Let's find out. And you are correct.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, 47% of people press the button, meaning 53%
But it's
did
pretty
not.
close.
It is pretty close. So you got lucky.
Surprised.
You got lucky. Okay. So you've got 1 point down. You need 2 more. Let's go. Next. Ooh, this is a little bit brutal, but we'll see. The ability to teleport anywhere, anytime, in any instant. But for every meter you teleported, 1 person will die. Wow, that could add up very quickly.
No.
No, you won't do it.
No.
Okay, now, do you think the majority of people said yes or no?
No.
Okay, I will not. And overwhelmingly will not.
Unbelievable. 36% people say yes?
Yes, 36%
How
of people
many?
want to teleport.
How many people will die in the world?
Well, if all 36% of those people, which is 24,000 of them, all started teleporting a lot, yeah, the world population would drop pretty quick. So we're lucky that this doesn't really exist.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
And unbelievably, she is 2 for 0. So she needs 1 more.
The question is too easy.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not the author of it. Okay. Then I'll choose if this is good or not, and then I'll see. Okay. This seems interesting. I'll do this one. You can live your life as a wizard and go to Hogwarts, like Harry Potter. But everyone you care about will forget you've ever existed. So they won't be dead. There won't be any pain. Won't any, they'll just forget about you.
Kind of romantic.
Yeah, I guess. Romantic.
Like a movie.
Yeah, so you'll become a wizard. You'll have all the magical power you want, but people will forget about you. Doesn't mean you can't go back and see them again one day. They just won't know who you are. Will you press the button or not press the button?
No.
No.
Of course no.
Okay, and what do you think the majority of people said?
But it's difficult.
Yes. Please, I want to take a shot of mustard. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Please, please, please.
No.
No, and the answer is no. 55% of people said no.
Yeah, you
Only
were
40.
close, like 5%, but
Like 5%.
no.
Okay. Are you giving me an opportunity?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
The game should be fun.
All right, all right. Then how should we do it?
The next question.
Well, there's 2 more questions.
Oh, okay.
So if you miss the next 2,
Yes, I'm gonna do all the questions, all correct.
all correct? Or are you going to... Okay.
That's the 2 questions.
Yeah,
right?
last 2 questions.
Go it.
Okay. All right. Just brave. Let's try it. Okay. Next question. Okay. This is interesting. You can travel in time, but you age 4 times faster than normal.
What do you mean travel in time?
So you can travel backwards or forward in time.
But I will die soon.
Yes, you'll die 4 times quicker.
No.
No. And do you think? What do most people say?
No.
And you think most people say no, okay? Overwhelmingly, no. This is really not looking good for me. 68% of people said no.
Last one.
No one wants superpowers.
Last one.
Yeah, last one. Ugh. Okay. You can have an infinite amount of money, but you can't be loved. You have all the money you want, but no one will love you. Doesn't mean people can't like you. Doesn't mean you can't have friends, but no one will love you.
I would say no, but
You will say no, okay. But what?
no more person, I think. If women more than men,
Mm-hmm.
I think this question will be totally no more than yes.
So if it's only women answering the question, you think it will be overwhelmingly no. That they'll want love more than they want money.
Yeah.
Okay, but
But
is it for this one?
no, I wanna believe even guys won't laugh, so I will just no.
Let's see what it is. Oh God, yes. It is 61% of people chose no. That they would rather be loved than have infinite money.
I'm so happy I live in this lovable world.
Yes. And look at the time. We're over for today.
Da, 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 da.
All right, I'm going to trust you. Since you believe in a loving world, I will trust you here to give me a loving shot of mustard into my mouth. Please don't get it on me. You gotta go from up and down, all right? Don't get on my shirt. Just one good squirt, okay? Don't try to kill me. That was hardly anything. You got to do a little more than that. That was a tiny thing.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay. But.
Wait.
You're getting mustard farts in my mouth. I'm getting nervous. Come on.
Okay, this side should be fine.
Okay. Right. Oh God. Oh.
Are you okay?
Remember, believe in love. Oh man.
Yeah. Oh, love you.
Love you too. Holy smokes. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh. Bye.